Lex Kaiwai music, yeah. Then I need my baby girl, my first sunrise. No guanga yale light in my eyes. You're my ulumatua, my heart's first song. Even when the nights feel quiet and long. Though it's Koyawa, far across the sea, no distance can break what you mean to me. Menani nada, luveku hear my call. No kuloloma, for you will never fall. From the islands to where you lay your head, I feel you close, even oceans ahead. Nada, you grew so strong, so brave, so kind. I carry your laughter deep in my mind. The wasa may stand between me and you, but my heart knows exactly where to go to. Every vula that rise, every cigar that shines, I'm praying for you through space and time. Menani nada, luvoko hear my call. You're mine forever, my sweetest regret. That I can hold you the way I want you tonight. But my love finds you no matter the flight. Nok marama lai lai, walk proud and stand tall. Devanua remembers where you come from always. When you feel alone, just whisper my name. My aloku runs to you just the same. Menani nada, my eldest, my star. No matter how distant, no matter how far, sleep in Vakatu.